Learn Malay past. I had equals.
Saya telah.
Have equals.
Ada.
Welcome to Ch.6 Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Ch.6 Lingo. Grab more cool resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll nail the Malay ways to say had and have, with quick jokes, mini dialogues, and drills. Buckle up and get ready to speak out loud. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently switch between had and have across different pronouns. Master completed actions with already
Telah.
and
Sudah.
use existence, possession with.
Ada.
Express past possession, experience for a group.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai.
Sound natural with short, punchy lines you can use right away. Forms at a glance. Keep these on the tip of your tongue, say them aloud now. I had.
Saya telah.
He had.
Dia telah.
She had.
Dia telah.
It had.
Ia telah mempunyai.
Have.
Ada.
You had, plural.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai.
They had.
Mereka ada.
Bonus, we had, context.
Kami sudah ada.
We already had. Funny mini dialogue. Listen, chuckle, and repeat the Malay parts out loud. A. Before you got here, I had eaten.
Saya telah makan.
B. He had finished ages ago.
Dia telah siap.
A. She had a plan, obviously.
Dia telah ada rancangan.
B. The old robot? It had a secret compartment.
Ia telah mempunyai ruang tersembunyi.
A. Yesterday we had backup snacks.
Kami sudah ada snack tambahan.
B. You all had the golden ticket last year.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai tiket emas.
A. By noon, they had all the maps.
Mereka ada semua peta.
Call and response drills. Your turn. I'll cue the English, you shout the Malay. Say, I had finished.
Saya telah selesai.
Say, he had left.
Dia telah pergi.
Say, she had arrived.
Dia telah tiba.
Say, it had 2 keys.
Ia telah mempunyai 2 kunci.
Say, we had time.
Kami sudah ada masa.
Say, you, plural, had a chance.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai peluang.
Say, they had a dog.
Mereka ada seekor anjing.
Culture tip. Here's how Malaysians keep past and possession simple. Malay often marks completion with
Telah.
formal, or
Sudah.
common, existence, possession with,
Ada.
and past experience, once had with.
Pernah.
Quick hack. If it's already done, try.
Telah.
/
Sudah.
If it's having, there is, use.
Ada.
For, you all once had, go with.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai.
Quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a short pause. Q1. How do you say he had? A.
Dia telah.
Q2. Translate. It had a hidden compartment. A.
Ia telah mempunyai ruang tersembunyi.
Q3. Which Malay word covers have, there is? A.
Ada.
Q4. Say, you, plural, had time. A.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai masa.
Q5. Say, they had 2 tickets yesterday. A.
Mereka ada 2 tiket semalam.
Final challenge. You've got this. Build your own lines now. Make a sentence with I had using.
Saya telah.
Make a sentence with he, she had using.
Dia telah.
Describe an object's past possession with.
Ia telah mempunyai.
Say a group once had something using.
Kamu semua pernah mempunyai.
Finish with a quick have, there is line using.
Ada.
Wrap up. Nice work. You powered through had versus have like a champ. Thanks for listening to Ch.6 Lingo. Keep practicing these lines daily, share a laugh while you do, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Sampai jumpa. See you next time.